Want to get rich in 2025? Here's how. Focus on the digital economy. Number 1. Start a YouTube automation channel. No need to show your face. Outsource scriptwriting, editing, and voiceovers, and let YouTube ads bring you passive income while you sleep. Channels like this make 6 figures. Tech skills that pay big. Number 2. Learn AI tools and freelance. In-demand skills like AI content creation, chatbots, and prompt engineering are the future. Offer services on Fiverr or Upwork, and clients will pay top dollar for your expertise. Real estate income. Number 3. Earn with Airbnb arbitrage. You don't even need to own a property. Rent a place, furnish it beautifully, and list it on Airbnb. The profit margins are insane. Visuals: a luxury apartment with Airbnb reviews and income screenshots. The digital creator's goldmine. Number 4. Sell digital products. Create templates, ebooks, or presets and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Digital products sell 24/7 with zero inventory hassle. Leverage the stock market. Number 5. Invest in dividend stocks. Buy shares in top companies, and they'll pay you dividends regularly. Reinvest those dividends, and you're building wealth passively. Start today. 2025 is your year to get rich. Like, subscribe, and share for more wealth building tips.